Yeah, I'm here from a job interview.
All right. Take a seat, and to start things off, why don't you tell me a bit about yourself?
So I'm passionate about technology and problem solving, which is what led me to pursue a career in software engineering. I have a strong foundation in computer science and I've gained hands-on experience through personal projects and internship and coursework. I enjoy tackling complex challenges and using code to create efficient solutions. In my free time, I like to keep up with the latest trend in tech and expand my skills through online tutorials and open source contributions.
All right. So now you told me about yourself. Why do you want to work specifically here?
I've researched on your company and I'm very impressed by your commitment to innovation and your focus on solving real world problems through technology. I believe my skills in software development would align well with your project, especially in areas like tech stack the company uses. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with a talented team and contribute to development of high quality software that makes an impact.
All right. So, what strengths will you bring to the company?
One of my strengths is my problem solving ability. I really enjoy to break down complex issues and finding the creative solutions of it through code. I'm also a very fast learner, especially when it comes to picking up new programming languages and technology. Additionally, I'm highly detail oriented, which helps me write clean, efficient code and identify bugs and development process.
All right. So now you told me your strengths. What weaknesses do you have?
One of the area I've been working on is improving my time management, especially when it comes to handling multiple projects or tasks. I've found that prioritizing tasks and using tools like Trello or Jira has helped me like stay more on the top of deadlines. I'm also effectively working on being more comfortable with delegating tasks when necessary, especially in team environments.
Okay. So what do you know about our company?
For my research, I understand that your company is known for like innovation and for service. You have made an significant strides in industry and technology field, and I admire your approach to the company's culture, such as collaboration or innovation. Your team focus on technology and programming languages aligned with my own skill set and the directions I'd like to take in my career.
All right. Okay. So where do you see yourself in 5 years?
In 5 years, I see myself as a proficient software engineer working on complex, impactful projects. I aim to continually expand my knowledge of framework and methodologies and become an experienced developer. I love to take on leadership responsibilities as well as perhaps mentoring junior developers or leading a small development team.
Okay. So what motivates you to do this?
I'm motivated by the opportunity to solve problems and make tangible impact through technology. I love the process of turning abstract ideas into real or working software that people can use. Seeing my code contribute to functional product, yeah, functional product that makes people lives more easier and more efficient. It's like something that keeps driven.
Okay. How do you prioritize your tasks?
I prioritize my tasks based on their deadlines and their importance to the project's overall goals. I like to break tasks down into smaller, manageable prices and set realistic deadlines for each. I also use project management tools like Jira and GitHub to keep track on progress and ensure that I'm staying on schedule. I also communicate with my team to ensure we are aligned with priorities.
All right. Can you describe a time when you worked with a team?
So, during my internship at the company, I worked on a project where I collaborated with a team of engineers to develop a new feature. It was a new feature for for one of our applications, and in it I was responsible for writing the backend logic. In it was what lang? It was like it was C++ and it was JavaScript. They were both languages, and I worked more closely with the team members to ensure that our code was integrated with more smoothly, and we held regular check-ins where we reviewed each other's code and provide feedback. Like it was a SWOT analysis, and it was just a great learning experience, and I enjoy how we all brought our unique skills to the table to solve problems and build something more valuable together. And guess what? We built a website which is now e-commerce. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you work well? Do you work well with others, or do you prefer to work alone?
For myself, I would say like I work with more group. I work like more group projects. Like it's more efficient for me. Like working together makes your work done more fast. Yeah.
All right. So, how do you handle customers?
So the so sometimes the handling customers is like a pain, and sometimes it's like there are no customers. So for me, I handle my customers more easily because I am more interested in the coding and stuff. So like handling customers for me is like a piece of a cake.
All right. What sort of skills do you hope to learn from this job?
The skills I learned is more likely to be programming languages. I learned multiple programming languages and have done more courses on it. Like the first languages was the HTML, CSS, where we have to build the basic website from front end, and then I learned JavaScript and Python, which is the more in the depth of the website where you have to like backend. And after that I learned more about software and stuff like framework and all. Yeah.
All right. So, how confident are you that you will do successful in this job?
Because I'm passionate about the coding and stuff. I love to code. I can handle the problems more efficiently. I can handle the bugs. I can debug the code in just a seconds or something.
All right.
Yeah.
How do you think you can learn our programming system well? Like,
Yeah, as I told you that I'm a fast learner. So, and it's about programming languages as well. So it connects with my fast learning and as well as the programming language. I enjoy it. So yeah, I would learn things more fast, like
Right.
your program.
how do you handle like personal matters that might interfere with work?
The personal matters are something like with something team or something.
Yeah, like, or some like in your family, like say you like your grandmother died or something like that. How would you handle like telling us that?
It's like I would firstly, it's like my personal matter, and if a person died in my family, I would email you or something. I would email you, and yeah,
All right.
yeah.
Okay. So, how professional are you at the how professional are you?
Like if I'm working from home,
Mhm.
I would like keep my stuff back, like which are my personal stuff, and I would be more professional, like no background noises or something.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you worked in this type of job before?
No, well, this is my first time, but I have built many websites and projects, and I have done many internship as well with my groups, and as well as I've done it more individual.
Okay. Is this your first job where you're getting paid to do stuff?
Yeah, this is my first job, and the backward we go, the I've done the internships, which was not that much payable.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. That comes to about our closing of the interview. So we will go through what you've answered, and we will think about whether you are a good person and whether you can are a good candidate for this job. So nice to meet you, Ayan,
Okay.
and we'll reach out to you later.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Yeah.